In today's fast paced and ever evolving business landscape, effective project management is more crucial than ever. Companies of all sizes and industries rely on project management tools to maintain their operations, improve collaboration, and ensure that projects are completed on time and within the budget. Hi, I'm Ajita from KnowHow Academy. I welcome you on this video about case study of Airbnb for using Asana as a project management tool. So before starting the video, let us quickly check what we are going to learn in this tutorial. So in this video, we will see the importance of project management tool, case study of Airbnb, usage of Asana, and results of using Asana. So let's get started, and first we'll see the importance of project management tools. Project management tools are software platforms designed to assist teams and organizations in planning, executing, and managing projects effectively. These tools help business track progress, assign tasks, manage deadlines, and foster collaboration, resulting in increased efficiency and improved outcome. In an era where companies are navigating a multitude of projects that span time zones, location, and teams, project management tools serve as the backbone of productivity. They help eliminate confusion, align teams, and ensure that every task and responsibility is clearly defined. Also, these tools provide an easy way to measure progress, keep stakeholders updated, and adjust plans when necessary, ultimately contributing to the long-term success of business. So we'll explore how Airbnb implemented project management tool to address their unique challenges and improve their operation. So before moving further, first we'll know what is Airbnb. So if we check out, we'll just simply go on Google and write Airbnb. So you can see, as a lot of you already know, Airbnb is an American company operating an online marketplace for short and long-term homestays, and it makes your experiences even better when you're going for holidays and anything. So first, one of the leading company which comes to your mind if you want to talk about a stay. So if we talk about Airbnb, Airbnb is revolutionizing travel. First, we'll see accommodation with Asana. How Asana helped Airbnb to accommodate people and how exactly they have taken help from this tool. So, Airbnb, the global leader in short term vacation rentals, manages a vast network of hosts, guests, and service providers worldwide. As the company expanded, its internal processes grew increasingly complex, with teams spread across different regions and time zones, maintaining effective communication and collaboration become a significant challenge. To address these issues, Airbnb adopted Asana, a versatile project management tool to maintain workflows and enhance team coordination. Now we are going to talk about the challenges faced by Airbnb. So if we talk about the challenges faced by Airbnb, Airbnb scaled its operation internationally. It encountered several key challenges. The company had to manage an ever-growing number of bookings, guest requests, and host interaction, all while complying with various regulations in each market. With numerous teams working on different aspects of the business, ensuring alignment and efficiency become a growing concern. As the company expanded globally, coordinating work between geographically distributed teams also proved to be difficult. So, what Airbnb did? They came up with a solution named as Asana, a ever growing project management tool. Airbnb chose Asana as its project management solution to centralize communication and simplify its workflows. Asana's customizable features allowed Airbnb to design tailored project plans for different teams such as customer service, marketing, and product development. The tool's clear task assignments and collaborative functions enabled Airbnb to keep teams on track and aligned with the company goals. Now, as we are moving forward, we'll also see the benefits of using Asana with some practical implementation as well. This is the website of Asana. You can just simply type Asana on search engine and you can see the website. So if I am gonna log in, as I'm already logged in, you can just sign in with your email and password or sign up as well. So this is the interface of Asana, where I already have a project named as Airbnb, as we discussed the benefits of using Asana. So here are certain features which you can see and we'll discuss it all along. So if we talk about benefits of Asana, first up is clear workflows and task prioritization. Airbnb used Asana to create well-defined workflows for each department, making it clear who was responsible for what. This approach helped ensure that all tasks were completed on time and aligned with the broader goals of the company. Let's just check it out. So if you can see, there are several task lists, that is planning, milestones. This is just for the product launch. So you can see we have set up some milestones, what are the steps we are needed, and as you can see we have also given the priority as what is high priority, what is low priority. We can even assign a particular person over here from the team. We are just assigning some of the people, and as this goes on, here you can easily see even if you're geographically at different places, by this you can easily have the collaborative environment. Next is cross-functional collaboration. Asana enabled better coordination between teams, especially between marketing, product development, and customer service. For instance, marketing and customer service team could collaborate easily on campaigns that align with product updates, ensuring smooth execution. So if we talk about collaboration, so as here we have finalized budget. As we click on the task, you all can see how easily you can add things over here. You can just set up a description for the task so that it is easy for the person you have assigned the task to understand it and do it on its own. Then, if the task is done, you can also add on certain things. For example, if the task is dependent, add dependencies. If you want to change something over here, you can do. You want to add a due date, you can do that as well. You want to add a subtask, you can do it. And as in for collaboration, all you have to add a comment, or if you want, you can just simply add different types of things from here, as there are different possibilities. Even a recording a video is also one of those. So you can see how easily people can just simply use Asana and collaborate with each other from wherever they are. So this is how Asana helped Airbnb for collaboration with the cross-functional teams. Now, on number 3, we are going to talk about alignment with company goals. Asana's tracking and reporting features allow teams to stay focused on company's core objectives. Each department's efforts were linked to the key performance indicators, ensuring that all work contributed to Airbnb's overall business. Now, if you can see, we have a full feature over here which is reporting. You can just simply create a dashboard and all the tasks over there you can just track it out. This is for your personal use. You can add different types of things over here, but this is same goes for the projects. So easily it could be tracked and you can just simply align it with the core objectives of the company. Now if we talk about goals, you can also set those. Here you have a exactly one column of creating the company goals, where you can create the goals which you want to achieve and notify people so that everyone is on the same page. And that is what they really did. Now, on number 4, we have faster response times. The Airbnb's customer service department benefited from the ability to quickly respond to issues and customer inquiries. Asana enabled fast track assignments and quick turnaround times, which was crucial for maintaining customer satisfaction in a highly competitive industry. So, as you can see, with Asana, you can do all the things at one place, which really reduces the time in your response and helps you treat the task better. So, as Airbnb's customer service got benefited from these features, you can as well. Now, we are going to talk about the results that Airbnb achieved using Asana. The integration of Asana into Airbnb's project management processes led to improved efficiency and enhanced team collaboration. Asana's time tracking, task tracking, and reporting features allowed the company to stay organized, meet deadlines, and respond faster to customer needs. The tool also helped Airbnb scale its operations while maintaining high levels of service quality. Ultimately, Asana played a key role in Airbnb's ability to navigate its rapid growth and global expansion. Now, if we talk about the value of project management tools, so the case study of Airbnb demonstrates the significant impact that project management tools can have on business operations. By adopting tools like Asana, the company has been able to maintain workflows, enhance collaboration, and ensure that projects are completed efficiently and on time. Project management tools not only improve productivity but also foster a culture of transparency, accountability, and alignment with company goals. In a world where business face increasing complexity and competition, these tools are essential for managing projects effectively and driving long-term success. As companies continue to grow and evolve, the role of project management tools in facilitating smoother operations and better decision making will only become more critical. So, before ending this video, let us quickly have a rundown of what we have learned today. In this video, we have discussed about importance of project management tool, case study of Airbnb, usage of Asana with Airbnb, results of using Asana. Thanks for watching and feel free to share this with your team and help them save time. If you found this video helpful or have any question, drop them in the comment section. We'll be happy to answer, and do check out our YouTube channel KnowHow Academy for more such videos.